So you might be wondering what the difference or differences are between the Xever 7 and the Xever 7 Pro. Well, in this video, I'll tell you guys the differences between both 5G rugged phones. So first and foremost, the Xever 7 series are a new 5G rugged phone series from RugOne, a brand incubated by Ulefone and launched at the IFA Berlin 2025 event. So RugOne officially debuted the Xever 7 series, and the series consists of the Xever 7 and the 7 Pro. Both 5G rugged phones are feature-packed 5G rugged phones and are expected to be very affordable. So as regarding the differences between both rugged phones, well, number one, the Xever 7 and the 7 Pro has different back covers or different rear designs. As you can see, this is the Xever 7 and on the right is the Xever 7 Pro. The back covers of both devices are different. The second difference is in the camera department. The Xever 7 Pro has a thermal imaging camera while the Xever 7 doesn't. I think it's best if I just tell you the camera features. Both devices has a 50MP main shooter, a 64MP night vision camera, and the Xever 7 Pro has a thermal imaging camera. Now the exact module is the FLIR or FLIR Leptin 3.5. The Xever 7 doesn't have a thermal imaging sensor. So these are the differences between both 5G rugged phones. Every other specs and features are pretty much the same thing. So there you have it, guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And I want to use this opportunity to remind you guys that these devices will be getting 3 years of OS upgrades. They'll be shipping with the Android 15 and they'll get the Android 16, 17, and 18 via OTA. So this is just one of the major reasons why they are worth buying when they are available. But feel free to share your thoughts, guys. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.